Did you know the largest slave rebellion in colonial America started with just 21 brave people? In 1739, an enslaved man named Jemmy made a choice that would change history forever. On September 9th, he led 20 others to break into a store in South Carolina. They killed the shopkeepers and took all the guns and ammunition they could find. But this wasn't just about violence. Jemmy had heard something incredible. In Spanish Florida, enslaved people could be free. So they marched south, beating drums and carrying banners to tell other enslaved people to join them. Their message spread like wildfire. Soon, nearly 100 rebels were marching together, burning plantations along their 15-mile journey. But the colonial militia caught up with them in an open field. A terrible battle happened, and most of the rebels died fighting for their freedom. Jemmy's rebellion scared white colonists so much that they created the harsh Negro Act of 1740. This law made life even harder for enslaved people across all southern colonies for over 100 years.